See here, I am going to show the vacuum type of circuit breaker. The video, animated video I am showing here. It has a fixed contact and moving contact, right? Fixed contact and moving contact. It has the end caps. It is a high conducting material. Electrodes are there. Okay. The outer surface is covered with the glass material. Okay. The glass material is surrounded this. We have to maintain the vacuum here. The vacuum chamber is consist of vapor condensation shield and bellows shield here. Bellows shield below, and here vapor shield is there. Okay, the bellows shield made up of stainless steel and is used to move the moving contact. Okay, pressure of vacuum in the vacuum chamber is about 10 to the power -5 or -6 tera. It is working of vacuum circuit breaker at the normal condition, both contacts are enclosed. When the fault occurs in the system, both contacts fall to each other. Moving contact moves away from the fixed contact. When the moving contact moves, an arc forms between the two contacts. But in the vacuum, how the arc is formed in between the two contacts. Okay. Main reason for the arc formation is the tip of these two contacts are electrodes with the high temperature, with the high heat of the conductor. These two conductors start evaporate the positive ions. Okay, these two moving contact release the positive ions with the high temperature. Due to the high temperature, high heat, vapors are ionized. Okay, those are emitted from these electrodes. With this medium, current flows which appear as in the arc. Okay, these ions forms the path for the current flowing, so that it forms the what? Arc formation. Depends upon the rate of produces the vapor, arc is formed here. When the value of current will reduce, vapor reduction rate will also reduce here. As you know that we know that AC current, that is a positive and negative cycle, right? So that the current comes to zero in the half of the cycle. So the dielectric medium gets very high. So due to the dielectric medium very high, current comes to become zero at the half cycle only. So we have these ionized condenses back, and these ions are condensed back, so that the condensed ions back to the electrodes, so that whatever arc is formed, we have to extinguish quenching completely. Is it clear? Whatever arc is formed, we have to remove that arc. How to remove that arc? Within the half cycle, the current becomes zero. Current becomes zero means there is no current flowing through this. Whatever ionized particles are there, those ions are condensed and condensed back to the electrodes, so that completely arc is extinguished, arc is quenching between the two contacts. So we have to maintain a stainless condenser here. So this never allows the ions goes out from this surface. Okay. So firstly ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಏರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಅದ ಬೋತ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಹೆವಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ energized, means heat with a very high heat. These two electrodes are emitting ions. Okay, so ions are formed between the two contacts. These ions forms a path to flow the current here. So the path form agutte andre arc form agutte, so that current flows through here, arc is formed, right? So will obviously moving contact move agodrinda distance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So current flow ಆಗೋದು distance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we can minimize current also and arc also. And also ionized currents comes to condensed when current becomes zero immediately at the half of the cycle. So condense ಆಗ್ತಾವ, condense ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, arc completely quench ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, extinguish ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the what vacuum type of circuit breaker.